Ever pause to ponder the peculiar substance we call earwax? Why do we have it and what is it exactly? Well, let's embark on a journey to unravel the mystery of this often overlooked substance. The substance we casually refer to as earwax has a more scientific name, cerumen. It's a creation of our bodies produced by tiny, industrious glands situated deep within the ear canal. Much like a river making its way towards the ocean, cerumen gradually oozes its way towards the opening of the ear, following a path set by nature. Now you might be cringing at the thought of this waxy substance, but hold your horses. As unseemly as it might seem, earwax is actually our unsung hero. This sticky cerumen plays the role of a protective night for the supersensitive skin inside your ear. Think of it as a microscopic security guard, standing at the gateway of your inner ear, shielding it from the harmful invaders of the outside world. Earwax is a master at trapping dirt, germs, and allergens. It's like a sticky fly trap, capturing these unwanted trespassers and preventing them from causing havoc in your delicate inner ear. It also doubles up as a waterproof barrier, keeping water from seeping into the ear canal. So while we're swimming or taking a shower, we have earwax to thank for keeping our ears dry. The earwax doesn't just stop there. It also collects bacteria and other dusty irritants, acting like a diligent janitor who keeps our ears clean and healthy. And here's the best part. Earwax is self-cleaning. It naturally disappears over time, moving from deep within the ear all the way to the opening, where it either falls out, flakes away, or washes away during our showers. And then, fresh new earwax is produced, and the cycle starts all over again. As unappealing as it might appear, earwax serves an essential role in protecting our delicate inner ear. So, next time you think of earwax, don't grimace. Instead, appreciate this unsung hero for the vital role it plays in our health. Ever noticed how earwax seems to disappear and reappear? That's the earwax cycle at work. The life of earwax is a journey that begins deep within the ear canal. It's here that the glands are hard at work, creating this substance we often find icky, but serves a great purpose. Slowly but surely, this wax makes its way towards the opening of the ear. Along the way, it's like a mini superhero, nabbing dirt, germs, and other irritants that have no business being in your ear. And when it reaches the end of the line, it does one of three things. It either falls out, flakes away, or gets washed away during your shower. But the ear doesn't rest. No, it gets right back to work, producing fresh new earwax to start the journey all over again. And so the cycle of earwax continues, an unending process of protection and renewal. Sometimes, however, the earwax cycle can go awry, resulting in a buildup. This typically happens when glands in the ear generate more wax than necessary. As this excess wax accumulates, it can dry out and harden, creating a blockage that's not only uncomfortable, but can also make hearing difficult. Now you might be tempted to reach for a cotton swab to tackle this problem, but here's the catch. It's likely to do more harm than good. As counterintuitive as it may seem, using cotton swabs often pushes the excess wax deeper into the ear, compacting it further and potentially worsening the blockage. And let's not forget, the inner ear is a sensitive area, and improper handling can cause damage. So, if you're grappling with a case of excessive earwax, remember, it's best to leave it to the professionals. When it comes to dealing with excessive earwax, professional help is always the best choice. So why do we have earwax? Is it just an icky annoyance, you may ask? Well, not exactly. Despite its less than glamorous appearance, earwax plays a crucial role in our overall ear health. It's the unsung hero, a knight in sticky armor that guards the delicate inner workings of our ears. Every day, this humble substance is hard at work. It acts as a protective barrier, trapping all sorts of invaders like dirt, germs, bacteria, and other dusty allergens. By doing so, it prevents them from reaching the sensitive inner areas of our ears. Furthermore, earwax keeps water at bay, preventing the uncomfortable sensation of waterlogged ears. Over time, it naturally works its way out of our ears, taking all the trapped nasties with it. Yes, it may seem a little gross, but it's a small price to pay for its protective benefits. So next time you think of earwax as merely unpleasant, remember its crucial role in maintaining the health of our ears.